fact, this is gonna blow your mind. You may be spending money on things that is a business, you're just not claiming the deduction on your taxes. 90% of millionaires started a business. This is the only way to get from the W-2 employee to the next echelon of wealth. And it's not even if you want to be a bazillionaire. It's just a way to shave off the tax burden that you're experiencing. Maybe you're in the 20%, 30%, 40% tax bracket. All the business does is it brings you down from the highest tax bracket. It really doesn't even need to make you a ton of money. The only thing the IRS is looking for is for intention. Do you intend to be profitable? You don't need to be profitable every single year. Read between the lines there. You can deduct, especially, think about it, your first year of opening a business, most people don't become profitable because of the investment to either renovate, purchase equipment, etc., etc. Does it make sense now, the power of a small business? It does not mean you're quitting your day job. There are so many myths around starting a small business. Many people think it's risky to start a business. It depends on what kind of business you're starting. If you purchase, say, a nice camera, a DSLR camera, and you're a hobby photographer, if you were to sell even a little bit of those pictures online, that's a legitimate business expense. What is it, an $8,000 camera? It's a legitimate business, and you're a sole proprietor operating under your own surname. So it's operating within the river of your normal taxes. You don't need a special business CPA, certified public accountant. You just basically, in TurboTax or whatever, you just click the box that you had a small business. It's as simple as that. Even the CPA you're working with can easily file a Schedule C. You just got to maintain your receipts and have a P&L, profits and loss sheet. In fact, banks, big banks here in America, let you open a business account for free. So if you thought starting a business was expensive, not starting a business is even more expensive because you don't get the tax deductions. Most people who should start a small business as a W-2 employee already have, they're just not taking advantage of it yet, which is so cool to hear. I'm so glad you're here.